Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of this basically RCA to HDMI adapter. Now, if you have an old TV that, of course, just has RCA, does not have any HDMI, you could go right ahead and use this adapter to go right ahead and connect, let's just say, a Fire Stick, a Roku stick, a computer. I mean, most likely probably like even a game console to that TV. So, nonetheless, let's go right ahead and unbox this. Here we have the front of the box. Here we have the back of the box. So, yeah, let's go right ahead and just open this puppy up. Alright, so there we go. So, first thing that we are greeted should be the adapter itself. So, we do get, of course, the RCA plugs, and then of course they will be converting to the HDMI port right there. I'll go right ahead and get the measurements of the length of this, but it looks like it's going to be at least maybe 6 feet. The length of the cable is going to be at least 3 feet. All right, so we have the adapter there. We do have, let's see, probably some instructions. Yeah, some notes. Normal use, don't worry. Okay, yeah, so we have some stuff there. Important notes. Okay, and let's see. So it comes with an HDMI cable. So there we go. And it looks like, let's see, it comes with a micro USB to USB adapter. Most likely this is probably going to be for the power. Yeah, so that's going to be for the power right there. So if this is going to be for the power, it looks like we do have a connection here. So we do have power, and we do have the capability of changing it from NTSC to PAL. So it looks like that is it for this adapter. And of course, that's the only thing that comes with it. So now that we have that, let's go right ahead and check it out and see what we get. See if this actually works or not. All right, so here we have basically old TV. Now, to give you some background, this used to be actually the TV that I would actually use when I was a teenager. So when I was, playing, Nintendo 64, basically this is what I was using, as well as I believe even GameCube, when I had my GameCube as well. So just to show you, basically, RCA plugs go to the RCA ports, which would be right here. So here we have, of course, the converter, which would be already connected to power, and I already have a Fire Stick connected to it. All right, so that's basically it. That's all you need to do. Just, power, connect. Let's go right ahead and turn the TV on. Love that sound, that boom, and then a little hiss. I mean, when I was younger, you always knew that the TV was on if you can hear that little hiss. Yeah, takes me back. Okay, so I just power cycled the Fire Stick. There it is. So it looks like the Fire Stick was, because I did leave it turned on for quite a while, so I needed to reboot it. So we're getting Fire Stick logo right there. Getting audio. Looks like everything is loading up. So, I mean, this is a pretty good little alternative. I mean, if you have one of these TVs and you want to, set it up as a smart TV, I mean, you could just basically get this adapter for it and just set it up. So we're in my channel. I'm just going to go right ahead and just run this. Actually, let me adjust the volume. Oh, another thing that I want to say. So most likely, if the version that I have is the light version. And if you have the one that has actually like the volume controls, most likely it will not work on this TV. So just FYI, don't expect it to work. So I'm just going to basically use this remote to lower down the volume. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, the video is playing. Of course, you can, stop it because, of course, you're just basically transferring the signal from the Fire Stick to the RCA adapters here. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, we will catch you on the next one.